We're summing log to base 10 of 3 to the 1 minus n from n equals 1 to 100. Well, the first thing to do is to bring that 1 minus n down. And then we're timesing it by log base 10 of 3, which I'm just going to write as log 3. And then we can bring that log 3 out because it's just a constant. If you have a summation and each time you're timesing by something, instead you can just add it all up and then times at the end. It's the same idea as when you factorize. So log 3 times the sum of n equals 1 to 100. Now there's a couple ways you can do the next bit. I decided to split into two summations. This is something that is done in further maths quite a bit. Because then if I'm summing up from 1 to 100, that many ones, I'm just going to get 100. And this here is actually, there's a formula. If I'm summing from 1 to n, 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way up to n, and it's a half n plus 1. This is actually the nth term of the triangle numbers. So, sorry, that's when I'm doing n, but now I need to put 100 in. So it's a half times 100 times 101, which becomes 5,050. It's worth knowing that one, I'd say. Comes up all over the place in maths. Of course, what you can do is use the summation of an arithmetic series, of which this is one. So use a half n a plus l, for example, and then a is 1 and l is n, and you get it from that if you wanted. So that is going to give us 100 minus 5,050, which is minus 4950. Just don't forget we're then timesing it by log 3. So it's these two times together, which gives us a. Now, alternatively, if you didn't think to split the summations or you're less comfortable with that, then what we could do is take this and just see what happens when we substitute 1 in. We're going to get 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 all the way up to the last term, which is plus minus 99. And you could use the arithmetic series formula from that. In fact, maybe take the minus out first. And then again, either use, minus a half. There's 100. Wait, no, there's 99 terms here. Half times 99 times 1 plus 99, 100. And that is going to be minus 50 times 99, which again gives us 4950. Or you could use the half n plus 1 formula, like it's the same thing. So different ways, but we get minus 4950 times log 3 at the end of it.